What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified on our new uploads. And now, we are back with a travel vlog. On this episode, I'll be bringing you a new travel guide, and this is Mount Batulao Day Hike Travel Guide. Mount Batulao is located in Nasugbu Batangas, an 85 km from kilometer 0 and around 3 hours of bus ride.
So from Metro Manila, ride a bus bound to Nasugbu Batangas and jump off at Everquest Golf Course, Nasugbu. Alam na ng mga drivers yon, so hindi ka na mahirapan hanapin pa. So from where you drop off, there are tricycles that will transport you to the first registration area, and the registration fee is 20 pesos. And the trek will take you around 2 to 4 hours to the summit. Depende na lang yon sa kung gaano kayo kabilis maglakad, and 2 hours going down. And the best season to hike, of course, is during dry season or summertime, because per our guide, maputik yung trail during rainy season. That will add up to the difficulty. By the way, the trail is 4 to 5 out of 9 difficulty level and a class of 3 with 60 to 70 degrees assault. And the guide fee is 300 to 400 pesos.
So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will help you should you plan to do a day hike in Mount Batulao. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Then, share na rin itong video na to and then click that notification bell so that you'll be notified in our new uploads. For the meantime, shoutout muna tayo. First up, from the 15th random fact about P. Hello to Hungry Black Panda, Kalmahara, and It's Hannah. And secondly, from why my YouTube subscribers are dropping. So, hello to Lisa Just Kitchen and Ana Glenda. And from the Bahay Kubo Challenge video, hello to Nana Express, Lil MC, and Jovel K. And lastly, from the BGC Montage video, hello to What's Update, Sam's Little World, and Miyushi Channel. So that's all for now guys, and see you in our next video. Bye!